Hello CWIEME community, I'm Patrick, the new event director at CWIEME Berlin, and I'm excited to share with you all the amazing things we've got happening for CWIEME 2024. As the requirements for the manufacturing and the electrical engineering industry are rapidly changing, along with more new exhibitors than we've ever seen at the event before, we've added brand new features to CWIEME to ensure that you stay ahead of all the latest industry trends. As we continue to develop our Connect at CWIEME platform, exhibitors can now host potential buyers from the comfort of their own stand, resulting in more opportunities to make those important connections during the 3-day event. We've also introduced the Startup Zone for startups looking to bring innovation to the industry. Plus, we'll have even more pavilions from key markets and even more content from world-leading industry players. But we're not all just about business. We're bringing back the ever-popular community beer garden and other fun areas at CWIEME Berlin for our community to relax and exchange. Register now and be part of the world's largest global coil winding and electrical manufacturing event.